Google's YouTube Creator Studio is a tool utilized by content creators on YouTube, a video sharing platform, to create, manage, and share videos. While Creator Studio has long been a feature available for creators, the beta desktop version is a revamped version of the original classic. Our goal is to provide insight into this future user experience on beta. We chose to work with content creators, both amateur and professional, as they are the primary users of Creator Studio. They include emerging creators like Samantha and aspiring creators like Jacob. For Samantha, who has over 7,000 subscribers, she wants to branch out and learn new ways to create and share her videos. She would like to earn 3,000 more subscribers by the end of the year, but she feels intimidated by Creator Studio's analytics, which she would like to master so she can figure out what tags to use for each video and to track her growth in general. Now Jacob has fewer subscribers as a new YouTuber, but he loves making gaming videos, which he streams to his 64 subscribers, though he aims to grow this number by uploading more frequently and consistently. But he has trouble deciding how to title, tag, and edit his video descriptions and thumbnails, and some help from Creator Studio would be great for him. For this analysis, we began by conducting background research to develop an understanding of our client and product. We started with a round of interviews with 5 content creators to understand their unique experience with Creator Studio. We then performed a comparative analysis of 9 of YouTube's industry competitors to look at the innovations, trends, and successes within online content creation. We conducted an online survey for both YouTube content creators and YouTube viewers to gather quantitative data we could perform substantive analyses with. This led us to develop 6 heuristics based on the Nielsen heuristics for user interface design in order to find quick and easy fixes for beta. Finally, we ran a 4-task usability study with 5 participants to gain a holistic, detailed, and broad view of critical interface and navigation issues. Through these investigations, we were able to formulate different recommendations based on the findings we discovered. Our first set of findings are related to analytics, searching, and filtering. First, we had found that currently, new creators have a hard time using and understanding how analytics in Creator Studio may impact or benefit their videos. Many creators were unsure what certain tabs in the analytics section mean, and only learned by clicking back and forth into each one. Discovering new features and what they do remains confusing for many users. Additionally, the ability of not being able to see a real-time overview was a disappointment for some of our creators. Finally, Creator Studio lacks the ability to allow creators to see an overview of the various geographic locations from which viewers are watching their videos. One recommendation regarding analytics is to use pop-ups to notify users of new features now available in Creator Studio. This could help users with tips and tricks to familiarize themselves with new ways to use analytics. Additionally, it would be useful to let creators choose what shows up in their Overview tab. This would allow for the ability to only see the content that is of interest to them. An additional recommendation would be to add the ability to search for the type of analytics they would like, instead of going back and forth with each tab. In addition to this, adding real-time statistics, like what can be seen with Google Analytics, can help users understand how well their videos do right after they are uploaded. The final recommendation would be to include a world map of where users are watching their videos from. With searching and filtering, we observed through our usability tests, users found it difficult to find the filter function, and had varying success finding the right video on the search function. They expected search to work the same way as Google, and they found it difficult to find a video with search terms from the video description. To address this, search should consistently and transparently bring up all possible results, not limited to one place. Whether that be through the title, tags, or description, for wider accessibility of videos, which will help both user and creator. The filter option should also be placed next to the search bar and not below it. Our second set of findings are related to tagging and sharing videos on Creator Studio. Our usability tests showed that sharing videos from Creator Studio was difficult, and users often had to navigate to the video directly to do so. Many only know the sharing option from YouTube and not Creator Studio. During our test, some of our users did not share the videos straight from the uploading. Therefore, when tasked to share the video, they were stumped. Although the option to share a link is available, our users didn't like that method to share the video. Our recommendation regarding sharing videos is to add a button that would bring up a pop-up that shows the various ways to share right from Creator Studio. Similar buttons like on the YouTube platform. Another recommendation regarding sharing is to add the ability to share through multiple platforms at the same time. During our comparative evaluations, we have learned that some competitors allow users to share and upload videos to various social media platforms, like Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. By incorporating this into Creator Studio, it will save substantial time for creators, because the alternative is to individually post the videos to the respective social media websites. Confusion over tags included not understanding what tags to add, and not properly separating them. In our comparative analysis of industry competitors, we saw that platforms like Instagram offered popular tags that users could use for their content, which helped them reach a wide but also specific audience. Similar autofill-like functions and suggested tags could benefit YouTube creators too, as they come to this step in their video editing on Creator Studio. Moving forward, there are many different considerations YouTube should examine. Our investigations, while they produced interesting results, had a few limitations. For our interviews, survey, and usability tests, we had hoped to recruit more users than we ended up working with. Another issue was a difficulty in recruiting content creators. We overcame this by also recruiting viewers to supplement the smaller pool of creators we were able to reach. Although working with both creators and viewers is beneficial, we also had wished to recruit more creators. One of our recommended next steps is to increase sample size by recruiting more people for our tests to reach a better level of saturation. Recruiting content creators should also be a higher priority focus. Additionally, we recommend doing A/B testing with certain aesthetic and placement design considerations, such as choosing to display filter and search bar as two separate fields or combining them. Another consideration is to test the discrepancy between which areas in analytics creators fixate on longer, and adding those options to the Overview tab in Analytics. Finally, we suggest conducting additional usability tests for the remaining features that are not yet implemented from the original version of Creator Studio. Not only did we not test those features, testing them could also uncover new findings. User feedback is critical in implementing improvements on these beta features. The smooth transition between both Creator Studios is ultimately dependent on happy content creators and viewers. As part of our needs, assessment, and usability evaluation course, we were able to work with a great team at YouTube to evaluate a new and emerging platform that could eventually benefit every content creator who uses YouTube to explore their creative and professional pursuits. In the end, this has been a great experience and learning opportunity for our team. Thank you.